Students, now you can understand what is social responsibility of business and why the social responsibility needed for a businessman. Yes, some people are against social responsibility of business and some are in favor of social responsibility of business. Some are saying that the business is done for the profit motive, so they must not having any responsibility towards the society. But definitely, if the business wants to survive for a longer period, so he must follow the obligations towards the society, because whatever this businessman getting for production, he is getting from the society only. जितना भी बिजनेसमैन को जो भी प्रोडक्शन के लिए बिजनेस के लिए जितनी भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती है, दैट ही इज गेटिंग फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी ओनली, फ्रॉम द कम्युनिटी ओनली. सो दैट इट इज बी नोटिस दैट businessman must have some obligations toward the society. So the social responsibility of business is must, and if he follows the social responsibility towards community, towards consumers, towards different sections of the society, so it can survive for the longer period and it also gains economic growth. So there are some arguments which are in favor of social responsibility. Now what are the arguments which are in favor of the social responsibility are: number one is justification for existence and growth. Justification for existence and growth, you know that businessman must have some obligations toward the society. The objective of the business is not only to earn profit or to maximize profit. Business can be the existence of business can be continued for a longer period only when he is having their obligations toward the society, and he must be following the obligation toward the society. अगर बिजनेस में से प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन पर ही ध्यान रखेंगे तो ज़्यादा दिन सर्वाइव नहीं करेंगे, because society also wants something from the businessman. So it must be the responsibility of the business, so that he has to follow the benefits of the society. He must follow the requirements of the society, the obligations toward the society, that he should do the business while keep in mind what will be the good for the society, what will be the right action, what will be the right thing for the society. And definitely the profit always comes, but the first priority should be given, that is keep in mind the social responsibility of the business, then only the existence of business will be continued. अगर आप बिजनेस कर रहे हैं लेकिन आप अपना फायदा देख रहे हैं, आप सोसाइटी के लिए नहीं सोच रहे हैं, तो आप ज़्यादा दिन तक सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएंगे. योर एग्जिस्टेंस विल नॉट बी फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड. आप कुछ ही दिन में आपको लोग आपसे गुड्स खरीदना बंद कर देंगे और आपकी डिमांड भी मार्केट में कम हो जाएगी. तो अगर आप चाहते हैं दैट इफ यू वांट्स फॉर योर लॉन्गर एग्जिस्टेंस एंड ग्रोथ, तो यू मस्ट फॉलो द सोशल ऑब्लिगेशंस टुवर्ड द सोसाइटी. नेक्स्ट इज लॉन्ग टर्म इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द फर्म. लॉन्ग टर्म इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द फर्म मीन्स अगर बिजनेस में कंटिन्यूटी चाहिए, ग्रोथ चाहिए एंड डेफिनेटली प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन चाहिए, तो द बिजनेस हैज टू फॉलो द सोशल ऑब्लिगेशंस टुवर्ड द सोसाइटी. देन ओनली इट कैन सर्वाइव फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड, एंड इट विल बी फॉर द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द फर्म ऑल्सो, दैट ही विल have if he wants to enjoy the profit for a long term, so he must follow the responsibility towards consumers, towards supplier, towards government, and also towards the community also. बिजनेस को बिजनेस करते वक्त अपनी पूरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को फॉलो करना है. कंज्यूमर्स के लिए भी कि कंज्यूमर शुड गेट द गुड प्रोडक्ट्स, शुड नॉट गेट एडल्टेटेड प्रोडक्ट. द ब्रांड प्रोडक्ट इज ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी, इट शुड बी ब्रांडेड वन, and there will not any kind of unfair practices again with the consumers will be happen. And then only it will be in the interest of the firm that it will survive for the longer period, और एक लंबे समय तक वो बिजनेस जो है उसको लोग याद रखेंगे और उसको आगे लंबे टाइम तक प्रॉफिट अर्न कर सकता है, एंड इट विल बी कंटिन्यूइंग फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड. नेक्स्ट इज द अवॉइडेंस ऑफ गवर्नमेंट रेगुलेशन. नो बिजनेस वांट्स टू हैव द फ्रीक्वेंट इंटरफेरेंस ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. कोई भी बिजनेसमैन जो है वो गवर्नमेंट का इंटरफेरेंस उसको पसंद नहीं आता. इट इज़ नॉट डिजायरेबल. एंड इफ the businessman can follow the obligations towards the society, so there will be no matter of any government interventions. The laws, rules and regulation, everything will be done according to the government set rules and regulations, and he is following all his duties towards the community, towards the society, towards the consumer, so he can prevent the government interference from the business. अगर बिजनेसमैन चाहता है कि उसे कोई रोक टोक ना करे, गवर्नमेंट का कोई इंटरफेरेंस ना हो उसके बिजनेस में, तो अगर वो अपनी जिम्मेदारी को प्रॉपरली निभाता है, अपनी जिम्मेदारी को फॉलो करता है, उसकी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है, उसको बिजनेस के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. जस्ट लाइक ही इज टू प्रोटेक्ट द एनवायरनमेंट. एनवायरनमेंट का भी ध्यान रखना है कि ही कैन नॉट प्रोड्यूस सच गुड्स विच हार्म which making harmful to the environment, to the life of the people. And also he will not produce adulterated goods. He will not do any kind of unfair practices with the customers or with the suppliers. And also he will not do any kind of misleading or false advertisement regarding the product. So that if he follows all his responsibilities toward the consumer and the society, so the government intervention is automatically will be not be there, and he can prevent government interference. Next is the maintenance of society. If the business firm wants to maintain the society, that he is having sufficient resources with him, he is having good managerial talent, good managerial capability, he is having a good number of persons, efficient persons are there. If he take the service of that particular employees or resources in his, which is available to him, so he can maintain the society's problems, he can solve the society's problem. So there will not be any kind of evil practices are there, unfair practices not will be possible, and in this way the society can be maintained properly. Now availability of the resources with the business business firm के पास जो भी resources available है, whatever the financial resources he is having, whatever the human resources he is having, he must take the resources, he must use the resources properly in solving the society's problems. Like the societies are having different types of problems. So if the problems can be stopped, if the problems can be controlled, the business firm can use their managerial talent to solving the different kinds of problems. And also if the business is not using their talents properly, their resources properly, so that they can not they can do unfair trade practices, they can do some black marketing, etc., and it will harmful for the economy. So that whatever the resources the business firm is having, he will use these resources properly for solving the communities, for the society's problems, and in this way he is following his managerial ability in as a social responsibility. Next is better environment for doing the business. If business firms can use their resources properly for fulfilling their social responsibility, so that the better environment will be there for doing the work, and in this better environment the society is having good industrial base, and they will get the products whatever they want, they will get the product of their choice, and there will be better environment for the employees also for doing the business, and the business firm is also happy so to do the business in such a good environment. So social responsibility of business also maintains better environment for doing the business. Good working conditions, hygienic environment, and fair wages, etc., are such kinds of better environment which our business firm is enjoying when he is following the social responsibility towards the society. And converting problems into opportunities. There are different social problems are there, society is having different types of problems facing, but when the business firms are using their resources for solving the problems, and he can make the problems into opportunities, वो उन प्रॉब्लम्स को अपॉर्चुनिटीज में बदल सकता है. अगर हमारे पास कोई परेशानी आती है, कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, लेकिन अगर उस प्रॉब्लम को हम प्रॉपरली फेस करते हैं, उसको प्रॉपरली हम सॉल्व करते हैं, तो वो प्रॉब्लम हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी बन जाती है, और आगे चल के हमें और ज़्यादा अच्छे से बिजनेस करने का मौका मिल जाता है. एंड वी कैन प्रोड्यूस गुड्स फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड, एंड वी कैन प्रोड्यूस गुड्स दैट द इकोनॉमी रिक्वायर्ड, एंड दिस वे द इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. Now holding business responsible for social problems. There are different social problems are there, and these problems can be avoided when the business firms are using their resources for solving the social problem. There are different societies facing the problems of shortage of goods. They are not getting the goods of good quality, and unfair practices, trade practices are there. Unfair black marketing is going on. Rates were so high. So when the business firm is enjoying, when the business firm is using their obligations towards society properly, and is following their duties, what will be the duties towards customer, what will be the duties towards society, and in this way he can hold the business for a longer period, and he can run the business properly, and he can also solve so many social problems which the society is facing nowadays. So social responsibility of business is needed today. Business cannot be only done for the profit motive, but the business can be done by proper obligations toward the society, ताकि बिजनेसमैन की ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि सिर्फ पैसा कमाना नहीं है, पैसा कमाना डेफिनेटली इज द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव, बट उसके साथ साथ उसको अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को भी प्रॉपरली फॉलो करना है वॉलंटरली. इट शुड नॉट बी फोर्सफुली नहीं, अपनी इच्छा से, अपनी खुद से वो ये अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को फील करे दैट ही कैन नॉट do any harmful activities for the community, for the society, and for the government, etc. So he must follow his social responsibility towards each and every sector, so that the business can be continuing for the longer period and the existence of the business can be continued and the growth is also there.